The Johns brothers, William and Daniel, were born in Kentucky, but their family moved north to McLeod County, Minnesota at the beginning of the Civil War. The two brothers entered the hardware business, opening a store here in town, but then moved to Groton, South Dakota. After several years, William decided to return to the area in 1900 and opened the Litchfield Hardware Company on Sibley Avenue, next to the new First National Bank. William, it was said, has a faculty for making friends of his customers. In 1914, when Litchfield went dry, it set off a series of real estate transactions downtown, when saloon owners closed their doors and sold out. The brothers purchased 2 lots on the east side of the street, building a new 50-foot front brick store. In the new quarters, said the Independent, the firm has one of the largest and best adapted stores in this city. The hardware store not only supplied tools and building supplies, they also stocked agricultural machinery such as incubators and brooders for chickens. They sold toys, sleds, and wagons for children, and it became the place in town to buy sporting goods and hunting equipment. They added a special attraction sure to draw customers and then keep them in the store: a public women's restroom on the second floor. As reported by the Saturday Review, in the public restroom will be found the latest magazines, including Literary Digest, Outlook, Collier's, World's Work, American Travel Magazine, Metropolitan, Ladies' Home Journal, Women's Home Companion, and Views and Travels in Europe. Reassuringly, they added, they also have a convenient restroom for men in the basement that is light and airy. William Johns owned the store for several decades, and in 1935 it was purchased by F.F. Faut. In 1972, the American Legion moved into the northern half of the building, eventually taking over the whole place in 1996.